Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 6, leçon G, and in this lesson we'll see together, let me click, le passé composé of the verb faire. Faire is to do, and then we'll see together the passé composé form. So we did introduce the passé composé in the unit 5, okay, but I just want to check and make it clear that everything is okay for you. So we'll start with faire. It will be quite fast, but still quite useful. Let's start. J'ai fait. Tu as fait. Il a fait. Elle a fait. Nous avons fait. Vous avez fait. Ils ont fait. Elles ont fait. Alright, so to make it clear, one more time, remember that in most of the cases for the passé composé, you will have to use avoir at the present form, followed by this participe passé form. So if you're not sure how to construct that, check Unité 5 and then you will see the lesson that explains everything, okay? But then we'll repeat it one more time. J'ai fait. So remember, final T is not pronounced. J'ai fait. Tu as fait. Il a fait. Elle a fait. Nous avons fait. Little link between the two. Nous avons fait. Same thing here. Vous avez fait. And same thing here. Ils ont. Ils ont fait. Elles ont fait. Alright? So that's it. It was the verb faire at the passé composé. Really important. If that's okay with you and if it's clear, then you can continue. And the website is youtube.com/imagier. Or then more material, imagier.net. Have a great day. Au revoir.